Hello language learners, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are discussing 3 easy tips to memorize vocabulary. Sometimes we are exposed to so many words but couldn't memorize them. Let's practice these techniques which helps you memorize all the new words. Number 1, mnemonics. It is a memory aid to help students improve their memory. Basic types of mnemonics are music, name, expression or word, model, ode or rhyme, note organization, image, connection and spelling. Don't confuse with the list of the words over here. Let me help you understand with the help of examples. First example, look at that, music mnemonic for learning alphabet. Yes, you heard it right. We have learned alphabet using music. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Is it? Yes, this is music mnemonic example. One more example. Spelling mnemonic for names of rainbow colors. An acronym WebGear has been learned by all of us for remembering the names of the rainbow colors. Next example. Knuckle mnemonic for remembering number of days in each month. We all have learned the number of days in each month using this knuckle mnemonics. Number 2 is visualization. It is a set of more than 15 techniques to memorize and think. Well, don't confuse, we are not learning 10 techniques over here. So what is visualization? It is imagination. When we imagine while learning or memorizing the words, then what happens? It stays in our mind forever. For example, words like tornado, twister, gigantic, etc. If you visualize or imagine these words, then definitely they can stay in your mind forever. Next step is dissection. It is to cut to pieces. And in language terminology, we can say that it is a detailed part-by-part analysis. Whatever we want to learn, we dissect it or divide it into different parts. Let's see some examples. Photosynthesis. If we divide this word into 3 parts, it becomes photo, which means light, syn, which means with, thesis, which means placing or setting, placing with light. Next example, hyperthyroidism. Hyper means higher than normal, thyroid means thyroid gland, ism means condition. So hyperthyroidism means a condition of thyroid gland higher than normal. So this is how this dissection method helps us memorize more words. In today's lecture, we have done 3 easy tips to memorize vocabulary: mnemonics, visualization, and dissection. Tell me in the comment section which technique you are already practicing. That's all for today. Take care.